Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm going to talk about how to make watermelon ring mask. That's the green outer shell. Watermelon ring mask is actually very good in reducing redness of the skin, calm inflammation, and also serve as natural body toner. So you can actually add it to your skincare routine. Recently I just did that. I love the amazing result I'm seeing. So let's just get started. Okay, we start by slicing the watermelon, separating the red area from the green outer shell, which is the part I'm using for the mask. You see, the watermelon ring mask also make your skin feel soft and glowing by locking in sufficient moisture. Regular usage can make your face become clearer for those with oily skin and for those who are prone to acne. And again, is consumable. You can turn it into a smoothie. You can turn it into a smoothie. It's very, very good. It has a lot of health benefit. Okay, that will be discussed in my next video. So right now I'm cutting the ring into a pieces. Then after, you put it into a blender to make a paste out of it. Once I'm done blending, I will go ahead and pour it into a bowl and keep it in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes before applying it on my face. So guys, it's 10 to 15 minutes. I refrigerate my watermelon ring mask. So I'm going to apply it now on my face. So wow, like the way it's chilling. You can just use it to scrub your face. No. So I'm just going to leave it on like this for a while before washing it off. So guys, if you like what you're watching, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.